Hello and welcome. Today is part 2 of the Harry Honda Fit. I will be scrubbing down all the interior plastics and extracting the fabric surfaces. If you want to jump ahead to the extraction, that begins around the 6-minute mark. If you do like videos like this, please subscribe since I will have more coming. As for right now, I am starting with the door panels. It was an extremely hot day when I did this car, so I had to apply APC heavily to make sure it did not dry before wiping it off. My process was very simple. I used a detail brush to clean everywhere and wiped off afterward with soft microfiber. I do apologize about the poor angle here while cleaning the dash. My camera unfortunately moved after I started and I did not notice that. I do make sure to get into all the hidden areas and move the steering column. It was amazing how much can hide in small places. That was filled with dog fur. Since the glove box still has personal belongings in it, I did not clean the interior of it out. I left them in there for privacy. I did make sure to clean all the air vents though, as well as spraying APC onto the detail brush first instead of directly into them, so that way I'm not soaking the inside of the vents. Another thing you may notice is I work from one side of the car to the other while cleaning everything. This is only my preference, it's what worked well for me that day. Some people like to work different sections at a time, but this is what works for me. Now I am beginning the extraction on the seats. If this is your favorite part, please give it a thumbs up so I know and I can focus more on this in future videos. I do use a pump sprayer filled with fabric shampoo and a foaming nozzle so the seats do not get oversaturated. I work this in with the drill brush and then let it sit before extracting. Thankfully for the owner, this car does have a black interior, so you could not tell how dirty these seats actually were. While extracting though, I do make sure to go in all directions and keep going until the water runs through clear. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the extraction. Now I am going to start the carpeted mats. I begin by spraying them down with the fabric shampoo and a drill brush. After that sits, I pressure wash the mats out until the water runs clear. Crazy how much could actually come out of these little mats. It did get cut off, but I also extracted them afterwards so that way they did not sit saturated. Finally, this car is finished after a quick exterior wash, cleaning all the windows and door jambs, and dressing the interior. In person, this was an amazing before and after. A crazy amount of dog fur came out, and the car had a new life breathed into it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned next week.